when you're buying an agency, first you have to show the staff of the agency you're buying that you're reliable and trustworthy, but you also have to show that to your client, the new client you're getting. Hi, Therese with Agency Performance Partners here. I am here to talk to you in this 3-minute video about how to minimize client deflection when purchasing an insurance agency. So you're buying an existing agency and you want to keep as many clients as possible. So you want to build trust. How do you build trust in this situation? Well, there are different ways to build trust. First and foremost, when you're talking to clients, whether they be current clients or the client of the agency you're purchasing, you want to use their name. Address each client by their name. This demonstrates a genuine interest in their needs. Things have changed throughout the years. There used to be a time when I was growing up when customer service was key. The customer was always right. We respected and we tried really hard to make the customer happy. And that changed somewhere along the line. And we no longer really try very hard to do that. And I think in this day and age, we have to get back to that. We have to get back to giving wow customer service. We've found that some agencies sell a policy and never communicate with the customer again, which is odd. Because if you're going to sell a policy to a customer, you want to value that customer and show them appreciation for staying with your agency. Studies show that customers buy with someone who will build a relationship with them. So building trust and using simple tactics like using their name and knowing details about them can go a really long way. So it's important as a primary agent, when you're buying an agency, first, you have to show the staff of the agency you're buying that you're reliable and trustworthy, but you also have to show that to your client, the new client you're getting. So whether it be your staff that's merging in with the new purchased agency staff, managers and that kind of thing, all of you need to work really hard at building trust for your clients to basically avoid client deflection. You don't want to lose any clients. So you have to find a way to basically communicate with the client about the purchase. So the more open communication you have, the more trust you'll build with staff and with your customers, and the less deflection or losing of clients you will find. Try really hard to build trust. I'm sure there are a million other ways to build trust, but one of the ways is just basically showing an interest, building a rapport, and treating the client like they're your number one client. Every single client you talk to, you need to value them, trust them, and hopefully that will keep the client in your agency. Thanks for joining me. agencyperformancepartners.com. Check it out. Have a good day.